Alright, the header. And I highly suggest you learn how to make your own header because your website should represent you and what you're working on. Anyway, how do we make a header and how do we install a header? First, paper's falling off my wall behind me here. First, our header size is 960 by 115. So what we want to do is find an image on our computer. Any image will do, and I just simply open it up in Microsoft Paint. Now let's just resize this to 960 and check this by 115 and OK. Now what we want to do is select all and let's cut. Now let's open up a blank PowerPoint presentation. If you don't have PowerPoint, what you can do is go to openoffice.org, and openoffice.org has a program called Impression that's free and it works pretty much like PowerPoint does. Anyway, PowerPoint. All we do here is paste that image, Control V I use. Now let's open this up. What you want to do is put some text on here, and to do that, just go Insert, Word Art, pick any of these that you want. Of course, Impression is a little bit different. And let's just go WordPress training, I guess, for now. What we want to do is bring this down to size. Maybe change the color a little bit. Nice blue, that'll work. And you can add images or whatever you want to this. You should probably put your image and or your name over here. But this is just for practice here, so let's copy all of this. Let's take it back and put it in Paint. And again, I use Control C, Control V. Let's get rid of the white, make sure that it's good on both ends, and again we resize this, pixels, uncheck, 960 by 115. Now what you want to do is save this as JPEG, and let's save this as WordPress training. And I'm going to call it Agency theme, and I'm going to save it on my desktop so it's easy to find. And we can get rid of this now, and this, and here's our header. So let's go back to our site, and we want to go to header, or we'll just go in from the dashboard, I guess, just in case your WordPress theme doesn't have these options. We go to Appearance, Header. Now in the Agency theme, there you are right there, 960 by 115. You want to uncheck this, Show Header Text with your image. Make sure that's unchecked. Let's open this site up. And what that's going to do is get rid of this text here. And I'll probably get rid of this search bar too. Let's browse. And let's find that image. Open it. Upload it. And now let's show header text with your image. Always check that you have it unchecked. Let's save changes. Now let's go back and refresh this website, see how it's looking. See, now we want to get rid of the search bar. So let's go back to our widgets, which is under Appearance, of course. And this search right here, just left click, hold it, and drag it. Now let's come back. Let's refresh. And there is your header. What's left is adding our tabs up here, and I'll do that in another video.